my next video. Actually, I know that it took little time to upload this video. Actually, it is due to do it my personal reasons. I couldn't upload the video. So anyway, I came back now. We can continue again with our project. So this is what we have done before. This is the status of our app now. Like you can see all the main categories here, and here some products. If you select a category, the product will be selected based on the selected category, and when you press this arrow, it will show all the categories, subcategory, main category, all these kind of things. So if I select grocery, it will show all the grocery categories, and if you go to a main category, you can see another subcategory, and when you select a subcategory, all the products belongs to this subcategory should show. So that's what our plan. And then another thing now, the thing is this. Okay, if you select one product here, it will appear here. Actually, okay, it will appear here, and when you press buy now, you should be able to buy the product directly, or you can add to cart and add another product like that. You need to do. So here we need to do some work. Like when you press buy now, actually this product has a two sizes. You didn't select a size. So when you press buy now, actually it should know which size you have selected. Right now you can select a size, then it will be selected as like this. But if you press the button buy now without selecting any size, it should not continue, right? So to avoid that problem, what we can do is actually here in the init state we have mentioned get size. Then it will get the size, and it says if the size list is of only one, and select as that one as the selected size. So we will remove this one, and we will say if the product size is not equal to null. That means some product, like if you come, I don't know which one is that. Yeah, so we have a grocery here. So if you select this one, actually this one don't have any size. So if it is not null, that means they should have some size. So if there is no size, this ignores. But if there is some size, then make the first size as the default size, and at the end, if you want, you can change that one. That's what I'm going to make now. So okay, now I select the product woman dress pink. Then you can say automatically selected as the first one as the default one, and if you want to change, you can change. So like that, like this will work. So that's the first thing. And the thing, the delivery address here, actually currently it is the address that manually I have given. Actually you should select the address, and based on the selected address the delivery should happen, right? So we will work on that now. So instead of this manual, we need to say delivery address not set, correct? Because still not selected in any address. That's why it should show like that, delivery address not set. Delivery address not set. But how it will check whether address is already set or not? That one also we need to get from the address, should get from the init state. So let's say get delivery address. So how to get a delivery address? To get a delivery address, okay, we have used a package called this, the getX package, that is get storage package, right? So we will check that storage that whether address is stored or not. If nothing is stored, then it will show like this. If there are some address already stored there, and the address should show here. So for permanently, so for temporary, we will work on that. And how it should happen is, if you go to our main.dat, as we have done earlier, this final store is equal to get storage. So copy that one, you can put it here, then import the package get storage. Actually it is the same thing that shared preference kind of thing, but it looks a little easier. That's why I use this package. Now here we need to say string address is equal to store store.read, and the key is we need to save as address. So we will work on that when we work with the Google Map. So currently just write like this. So right now it will get a null address because nothing is not stored there. So we need to say if address not equal to null, that means there is something there. Then we need to use the set state. Set state, we need to create a variable called string. So we'll create an variable called address, that is string address. Okay. Then if address not equal to null, that means we have already saved the address, then we can use the set state. Okay, remove here this. Then let's say address is equal to address. Address is equal to address. Address. Okay. Then come to our here. Then let's say address is equal to null then show like this. If it is not null, then show our real address. Real address. Okay, so address is equal to null, then deliver address not set, otherwise show the address. Now you have an error here because of this const word, so you remove the const, then the error will go. Now what's the error? Yeah, because of the null check. You can add a null check there and here also. Okay, now again it's showing in a yellow lane. That is actually you can short this with the two question marks. So you can see address question mark this. That means address is equal to null, then show this. Otherwise, if it is not null, show this. That is the meaning of that. Now do a hot reload. You may get an error screen actually. What it says now, warning upon the string which excludes null. Okay, remove this null check actually, no need. Okay, so after the hot reload, select a product, then it will come here and it says delivery address not set because there is no address we saved in the address in our storage, right? So what we need to do is when you press the delivery address not set, it's a button actually. When you press that, the Google Map should open, or if it is not set, still when you press buy now, still the Google Map should open. So that's the plan. So Google Map actually it's a long video. So before that, my last video actually I have already saved Google Map in Google Map complete code in Git. I have given the link of that Git in my previous video. If you go to my previous video and see the comments, you can see that one. Now I need to find my Git actually. I don't know what is that. I think this is the one. Yeah, jam their product Flutter Google Map. Why it says no page? Okay, yeah, this is the one. You can open, and if you go to the sheet here, actually the full code is here for the Google Map. Everything is here. So we need to bring that Google Map in our app. So that's what we need to do now. So as we have shown in my previous screen, we need to make some changes here. So what we need to do is you can go to pub.dev. If you come this pubsec, you can see you need to add all these packages: location, geocoding, geolocator, and Google Maps Flutter. Let's see, let's add the latest version of that. .12. Here it is 2.11. So anyway, we will take the latest one. And here as you can see here, you need to go to Google Map Cloud platform, and you need to get an API key. So if you see that my video, you can see all in detail. And it says minimum SDK version should be 20. That you can see here in Android app build.gradle. Yeah, my one is 19, so I will change this to 20. You need to change that to 20, and you need to give that API Google Map API key. So copy the line and come to this app src main and Android manifest, and in here you can paste, and you can give the key here. I will show you how to take the key, and but you need to have one more thing here, some permission. Actually, you can, if you go to my this project and come to Android, app, not yeah, src and main, right? Yeah, Android manifest. Copy this two line, copy and add the two line here. Okay, that also done. Now go to this Google Map platform. Actually, not to Google Map. You can go to this Google Developer Console. Actually, anyway, get started. Okay, you came here, and here you can see all the packages in Firestore you have added. It will load here. There you can select your package. That is, I mean, you can select the project that is our shop app. So I will select the shop app here. Shop app. Actually, it says to billing kind of things. Actually, no need to add this billing for this trial purpose. If you go for the production side, you need to add that actually. So currently, okay, what we will do is, instead of Google Cloud Platform, we will go to Developer Console. Here, go to Google Cloud and go to Console. Okay, this is your console, and if you didn't log in, you can directly log in. And here, as you did just now, you can select the application. Then what we need to do is go to API and services. There are enabled API and services setting. Let's go there and let's see what it shows. If you come here, you can see maps SDK for Android. Actually, I have enabled here. That is why it's showing. If you have not enabled, you can click this enable API and services. Then it will show all the APIs and services from the Google Cloud. There you can select. Okay, here you can see map SDK for Android and iOS. All these things here. So what we need to do is, we need to select map SDK for Android. Otherwise, you can search here. Then open that. I have shown this very deeply in my previous screen. So I have already enabled here. So if you have not enabled, you can click enable. Then it will enable. So once you enable, what we need is, now we need to get this API key. So where we can get the API key again, let's go to okay, go to dashboard. Where it is, okay, go to API overview. Credential. Yeah. So I know API key to display. So here actually there is no API. So we need to get one API key. So let's say create credential API key. Then it will create an API key for you. Okay, so this is the key. I just copied that one. Use your own one actually. Don't copy any other one. So I copied that, and that copied key you can come to this Android menu first, and here your key here you can just paste it. So your Google Map key is ready. So now all done with the Google Map. Okay, now we need some more package. So first is Google Map Flutter, and another one is, what is next one? Next one is Geolocator. A geolocator actually I use it to get the what is that? Get the latitude and longitude. So using that latitude and longitude, you can convert that latitude and longitude to the real address. So that's why we use this geolocator. Eight 8.20. Okay. Next is geocoding. Geocoding, here also it's mentioned compiled SDK version 31. So currently my compiled SDK version is already 31. So if you get an error regarding compiled SDK version, you can go to Android app build.gradle. Then here, if you come here with that, yeah, compiled SDK version, you can change this to 31. And this package I use it actually to convert this latitude and longitude. We got it from geolocator. It will convert to the addresses, the real address. So that's what we use the geocoding package. So from the geolocator you will get a latitude and longitude, and using the geocoding package you will convert that to the real address. And one more package we have used it, that is actually location. This one we use it to get the location permission before you use the app, because when user open the app and it takes the user's location, user should give the permission to the app to take its the user's location. So that is the way to use. Without this location also your app can run, but this is the proper way to use location. So or add this 4 packages and forget. Okay, so now we added the package and all the Google Map related things done. Now when the user press the button by now, it should check the address or not. So we have a variable called address here. We have to check the address is null or not. So if when we on press it, then address is equal to null. If it is null, then it should go to Google Maps screen. So let's say Google Maps screen, right? If it is not null, then what should happen? It should go to confirmation screen. Go to confirmation screen. correct? So we need to create one Google Maps screen first. So in the screen we will create two screens. One is confirmation screen, one is Google Maps screen. New that file, Google Maps screen, Google Maps screen, and another one is confirmation screen, right? Why it's not coming? Import material package. So this screen is for Google Map. So we need to give the name like okay, I will add map screen. Okay, and this is confirmation screen. Okay, so I created a map screen and a confirmation screen, and here we have mentioned if address is equal to null, then it should go to Google Map screen to select the address, right? Then we need to say navigator dot push. So actually I'm waiting for this window to copy this all code. Actually I don't want to type all the things one by one. So if the address is equal to null, it should go to map screen. It should go to map screen. If not equal to null, then it should go to, if it is address not equal to null, that means address is already there, then it should go to confirmation screen. Confirmation. My system is not speed, that's the problem with me. Okay, this one we need to import the screen, import Google Map, and again here import confirmation. So these two screen we need to import here. I think now let's see what will happen, right? Okay, I did a hot reload, and now the address is equal to null, that's why it says delivery address not set. Okay, okay, now did a hot reload. Now I'm going to press this buy now. I press buy now. So what happened is it gone to map screen. It's directly gone to map screen. Now in Google Map screen, we will copy the code from my this GitHub project. So open my Git project and go to the main.dot file for this Google Map and lib folder. In that main.dot, there you need to select from yeah, you can select from here to Okay, right now select like this all, or you can select this from this stateful widget altogether until the bottom, copy, and go to map screen and remove all that, then paste, then change this home screen. You can go to refactor. Okay, refactor, rename map screen refactor. So I think only there it is changed. We don't have any other file with home screen. Okay, that is done. Next we need to import this completer. You can import this dot async, this one. Okay, that one done. Another one is Google Map Controller. That is actually our Google Map package. You can import Google Map package also. Okay, that are also gone. Now this location data. Location data, actually the package is location. Import that also. Location also imported. Next one is geocoding. So geocoding, we need to import. Okay, go to this place mark. Okay, it's not importing. So what we need to do is you can import geocoding, and then here mention as geocoding, because some words is in common with the location and the geolocator and all these different packages. So to separate that, we mention like that. So geocoding will work here. Now I think all the errors is gone. Okay, perfect. This one will make final, and here this print actually no need. Yeah, now all okay. Now do I have to reload again? Okay, now press buy now. Then it will come to our map screen and it will ask for the permission, and you press OK. So the permission is on, and it will ask again. So you can put while using this app, and your screen will move to your current location. So currently, as I told, that I'm in a place that is something different. I mean, actually, I'm in an island at Deep. So it's a small island. I work here, so that's why it's showing like that. Okay, now currently we are here. So my location button enable, but where is our my location button? My location button is not showing because actually my internet is not that far. That's why this gray color is coming here, otherwise it will show very nicely. Okay, so it's fine. Now I'm checking this my location enable, my location button enable, this all there, but I can't see my location button. Let's do a hot restart. Okay, go to a product and press buy now. Then it open the Google Map. Yeah, now you can see the my location button is here. So wherever you go, if you press the button here, the screen will move to your location. So it's worked perfectly. And here you can change the style of the map. It is now I'm selected terrain. Okay, if I select hybrid, you can see original satellite image. It will show. Yeah. So this is where actually I leave. Yeah, so this is actually a resort. I work in this resort. It's very nice resort. And this resort is connected with a bridge with another resort, and you can see this all is actually water villas. This is the villa to stay in the water, and this all sea. Okay, anyway, now we got how to use the Google Map in our project. So right now, if you select any location, you can see it is showing the location here below. So this location you can add to the okay. Okay, so this is our marker. Actually, you can add another marker there. Okay, I lost my connection. I will reconnect again, and I will come back. Okay, so now I open the product, and I press buy now. So there is no delivery address. Let's just go to the Google Map, and okay, it go to the location, and you select the location, which location you want. Select the location there. I go to some bigger area. Okay, so Wellington and I think we will change like this. We have mentioned first sublocality. Locality, then next one is sublocality. I will change like this. I think this is more better. I want to bring this one to here and the to down. Yeah, Wellington Island. And here we'll show the locality. Kochi. Okay, so now we got the location. If you want to change this marker here, that is I have given here, you can change that with icon or some. If you have some the PNG images, you can use that. That is just completely based on your it's up to you what kind of marker you want to use. So I just showing here how to use that, and I will use the terrain or normal. Oh. Okay, so I will use this one. Then now we have this, right? So this color, if you want, you can change or whatever. You can make the changes, some changes there. But I will make another changes like a wrap with the widget, and the widget should be circular avatar, and its radius is 30 or 60. Okay, then background color is equal to colors dot black with the transparent of 12. Okay, now it's fine. So this is our map. Okay, it's nicely work. Now we need to save this address in our storage. Then after this confirm location, it will say address will stay saved in storage and should go to our confirmation screen. Yeah, into our confirmation screen. If it is coming through the product details screen, it should go to confirmation screen. Anyway, when we press this confirm location, let's say string address okay, string locality is equal to placemark dot locality string sublocal is equal to placemark dot sublocality. Actually, why I'm doing like this means I want to make it like this with a comma. Next, what we use locality, sublocality, and locality administrative area and sub administrative area and country and postal code. Country and postal code, right? It's called pin. So got. So we got all these details. So string address is equal to, now let's say sublocality sub, what is that, subblocker and locality admin area sub admin area country pin. So this is the address. This address we want to save in our there is no bracket on it. This one we need to save in our storage. So how we use the storage? The storage we use like here we use it in product details screen. You can just copy this get storage. Then store dot write, not read, it is write. So address is equal to address. So this is the address we are looking here. When you press buy now, it is looking for this address, right? So that address is looking from the init state. So init state, it will check that store will read and it will search for the address, and if the address is there, we can get the address, otherwise it's not there. So the spelling should be same, address and address. Okay, so now on press it will save. Then after saving, what we need to do is it should go to navigator dot yeah, it should go to this confirmation screen. You can just copy. It should go to confirmation screen, and let's try to display that address in the confirmation screen. Confirmation. Store.read address. And in the text, let's display that address. Okay. So now we have an address here: Wellington Island, Kochi, Ernakulam, Kerala, India, with the pin code. So I press the button, confirm location. You press, then you can see the all address is shown here: Wellington Island, Kochi, Kerala, Ernakulam, India, like that, like that, like that. So it is perfectly works well with our Google map. Okay. So next in this screen, we need to make a confirmation details regarding the selected product, and all the details and everything is okay. The customer can buy directly. So this is the plan we have now. In this Google Map screen, I think we will give an apple scaffold column stack. Yeah, let's give an apple. What will happen? I think we need to give here. Or we can give here not app bar. So we have a stack, and first one is Google Map, and the next one is this is in the center. So this is what this is the container. Okay. So first a Google Map, then that one, and another one. Let's say icon button, icon start. Do we have icon package? Yeah, Flutter icon is already there. So icon light dot arrow left. Where it should come in idea. Let's see. Bring this one inside icon widget. You want to bring the arrow mark here. Okay, perfect. So with a color of white. Okay, otherwise keep the color as it is. This light, if I change it to bold, what will happen? Okay. So when you press it, it should go to, it should not, where it should go? It should navigate a dot pop. It should go back to the previous screen. Okay. So when you press there, okay, I'm going to press there. Okay, press, yeah, it's going to go back. And now if you press buy now, it should go to confirmation screen because we have already selected that address. So I press buy now, but it's still going to, yeah, because I didn't. Okay, I press the confirm location, that is going to here. Go back. Mhm. So Google Map. This one we can put false to remove this compass behind. So it will hide. Okay, it's gone. Now when we press by now, why it's still showing? Why it's still showing to map screen? Because if address is equal to null, yeah, so because it's just popping up, it should not pop up. Actually it should go to uh, okay, copy this one instead of pop. It should say push dot push mm, by now and go back. Yeah, now if you see go back, it's directly going to sorry, product details string. What is this now? Check. Okay, I just do a hot restart. Sorry, we will put as here Google Maps screen and confirmation screen, and here we will mention as navigator pop only. Then here map screen dot when complete. That means when it came back, it should do a set state instead of just simply closing the map screen. We need a refresh in the product editor screen. That's why I'm trying to do like this, but let's see how it will work. Now we go by now. Yeah, actually now we have address that is directly going to the confirmation screen. By now it's going to confirmation screen. But I want to remove and I want to try again. So how we can do that? Okay, let's say store dot remove. I will remove the address first, just for a test. First we will remove the address. Then it should go. Now currently it's going to confirmation screen, right? Because we have already address. Okay, I press buy now. Okay, now it is gone. I remove, go back, and I remove this also. And again hot reload. Okay, I select the product and I press buy now. It's directly gone to map screen and it found the address. Let's find some good address with all our details. Okay, Chamundi Hills, somewhere. So I press confirm location. So what happened is it came to confirmation screen. This app bar is for temporary. I will remove later. Now we came back to product details screen. Now if I press buy now, let's see where it goes. It's going to okay, map screen. Confirm location. Buy now. Yeah. Now you have already address, so it's going to the confirm location only. It's not going to the map screen. So like that, we got the address now. So that address now is showing here also, right? You can see the address is showing here. So now if you want to change the address, when you press here, it should go to Google Maps screen and it should change the address. So how we can do is, we can go to here. When we press that one, it should go to navigator dot. I think I have copied that code. I think, yeah. Go to map screen, right? Okay, now when you press this one, it's directly going to map screen. There you can change your location. Okay, I selected somewhere. Why there is no locality not showing? Yeah. Then I press confirm location. Okay. So now I go back and here also, when complete, we need to have a refresh, right? So you can mention when complete, we should have a set state. Set state, again hot reload. Okay, now if you press here, okay, confirm location, go back. Here it is not changed yet. Why? When it goes to Google map screen, map screen. Okay, I will give a screen here. Bool detail screen. This dot detail screen. Okay. On press it. If widget dot detail screen, then navigator dot pop. Then product detail screen to map screen, and map screen will make this to true. Okay, now I press here and I will select another location. Okay, now confirm location. We got an address here, so I'll press this one. Okay, what we can do is actually remove all these things. So when you press, we will go to main screen. Okay, it's asking to do how to restart. So I will do how to restart now. So when we press the back button in the Google Map, it should go to the main screen, and from the main screen it should go. So instead of back button, instead of this icon arrow left, what we will do, we will give our home icon. Home. I think that is better. Correct. Okay. Now we select a product. Already we have address here, so when you press buy now, it will go to the confirmation screen only. And you want to change the location, you select here, and it will go to your current location. And from the current location, wherever, if it is the current location itself, you can select the current location, or if you want to change some different location, you can go to that particular location. And yeah, because here some area don't have administrative name, locality name, some different kind of. Okay, put it sharing. I selected that. You can see here the home button. The home button I will select light only. No need a bold. It's actually not nice. So I will select our normal Android Studio icon. Okay. So I press confirm location. So it's Puducherry, and when you press there, it go to home screen. Now you press again the button. You can see the address came here Puducherry. So now if you go any product, the address is displaying there. It's nicely displaying, and if you want to change, you can again change it. Okay, anyway, I select like this. Okay, confirm location. You have a location Tola Bari something. You go home and come back. You can see the address is showing there nicely. So this is working perfectly. Now when you press buy now, it should show all the product details, selected details, all the details here, and you should have a payment button. So that's my plan. That one I will come with next video. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.